Hi, it's Anchovy. Welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another behind the scenes of a creative floral photo shoot, and I'm going to share with you how I go from this picture and transform it to this one. So I know that a lot of us, when we're going outside, we've been masking to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe, and the idea behind this photo came from that. I know that a lot of us are really struggling during these hard times. We don't know how long this is going to last, but I hope that through this post I can share a message of hope that we're all going to get through this together. So let me share with you from beginning to end my process, and I hope this inspires you to be creative as well. So let's get right into it. For the flower mask, I took a white mask without any design on it. Actually, my mom made this one. She's really handy at sewing. So I took this white mask, and basically I started off by laying all the flowers how I wanted first without gluing anything on, just so I can get a sense of how it's gonna look. As you can see, I started creating a rainbow gradient because this month's color theme for my Instagram is rainbow. So I made it a gradient, and after that, it's so easy. I just used a glue gun with some glue sticks and started gluing them all over. For the makeup, I started off with Smashbox's original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I use this basically every single time I do a photo shoot to really prep my skin and really smooth it out before I put foundation on. Next is the foundation. And this one's by Woma Beauty. It's a black-owned business I discovered in June, and I'm obsessed with them. This is the Say What Weightless foundation in the color Fair Lady T1N, and it is velvety soft, but still matte and not drying at all, and I think it's so wonderful. Everything I'm wearing right now. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Pretty Skin Palette, and I'm just using a little bit of this for the contour and the blush. And then I am using, for the highlighter, Smashbox's Halo Glow Highlighter Duo. I'm just using the left side just for a little bit of natural highlighting. Next are the brows, which is one of my favorite things to do. I start off with Maybelline's Brow Drama Pro Palette, and I use this so often. You can see the pan, but on the very left is the wax. It really sculpts your eyebrows, and then the powder to fill in. And then another step is the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. I've used this so much that basically it's like rubbing off, but this is like a gel brush, and it really helps define all the lashes, and it makes it a little bit more natural. So I like to use both of these in conjunction with each other. Next is my signature cat eyeliner, and for this I used NYX's Epic Ink Liner. I've used this for over a year now, and what I really love about this, it has a really affordable price point. It has a thin brush tip, so you can make the thinnest lines really effortlessly, and there's always a consistent draw, and it's really jet black. And my favorite is the last step, which is Woma Beauty. Once again, it's the Black Magic palette. I am so obsessed with their palettes after trying this one out. Just look at how gorgeous these colors are. They have a mix of matte, shimmer, and then glitter. So I love palettes where it has such a variety of textures, and these colors are super, super duper pigmented. They don't flake off, and they blend really well. I basically, for this eye look, I used all the reds and a little black on the edges and the silver sparkle right here, and I am obsessed with them. I want this palette as well that I've been eyeing for a while. So I'll link all the products down below so you can recreate this look. The first step that I take when I'm planning a photo shoot is to create a mood board, and my favorite tool to use is Pinterest. So what I do is basically I create a secret board. This one I called Rainbow Flower Mask Inspo. I think. And then I just pin as many images that kind of give me inspiration for poses, color palette, different looks with flowers, butterflies, etc. And then I use that as an inspiration, so I have a little bit of help before I take the photo shoot. During the photo shoot, I always set up in my kitchen or my living room, basically any room that's the brightest and has the best light in that time of day. Usually in the morning, the kitchen is just glorious with a lot of abundant light, so I love to shoot there. And I just put this photo backdrop by Savage Seamless. I get it on Amazon. I have it in basically every color of the rainbow because I love using it as a backdrop. From there, I put my mask on and I just keep posing in different positions with the butterflies wrapped around my fingers. So the prop that I used in the photo are these really beautiful butterflies. I got them from Amazon. I got 2 different sets with different colors, so I'd have a variety. And I'll just show you one of them. They're really fragile, so you have to be careful. It has a little wire at the end, so what I did is I wrapped it around my finger, and then I kind of, just move it around into position depending where I'm posing with it. But I'm going to link this down below so you can check them out. But I have used these in several photo shoots already, and they are so helpful, and I love that they come in so many different colors as well. I took a ton of photos so I could have options, not only with the angles of my face, but showing the butterfly from different angles as well as a couple different colors, so that I would have as many options to pull from when I copy paste those elements, the butterflies, into my final image. And here is the final image. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my process from start to finish. If you're coming across this image, don't forget, we're gonna come out of this stronger than ever, so don't lose hope. If you enjoyed this floral photography, you can check out the rest of my floral artwork at #AnchovieXFlowerOTM on Instagram. If you have any questions on photography, video requests, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys!